A very good evening and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show that comes on Lolwe Tv every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. Today I'm coming from Riverside and we are at 108 Riverside Apartments. And to help us take us through these beautiful apartments, I have a sales executive of 108 Riverside Drive that I'd like to give her this opportunity to introduce herself. Karibu sana.
Asante. My name is Brenda Achieng, and the executive of this sales executive of the 108 Riverside. We are located along Riverside Lane West in Westlands.
Brenda Achieng. Makoro kami thuolo ni mar wacho dholuo nyalo wacho matin.
Awacho maber.
Inya kanye.
Actually, anya Ugenya, but ne wadaru Ugenya wadhi Butere. Yeah, koro ya anya Butere.
Inya Butere. Yeah. To kawuono koro we watoka English nikech koro dholuo ka wadaseke tigodo ka en ni mondo koseda ni mondo wadhi nyime gi dholuo.
English to bed.
English bed. Anyway, now Brenda, I want you to take us through this beautiful show house. First of all, where we're coming from is a 3-bedroom apartment that I just want to tell us what it's all about, the square feet and what it comes with.
Okay, in 108 Riverside, we have 2 bedrooms and a 3-bedroom, and we are doing 3 blocks, block A, B, and C. And we have, in every block, it's going up to 12th floor. And every floor, we only have 3 units. 2 bedrooms, there are 2 of them. And 1 unit for 2 bedroom. And in every floor, we just have 3 people houses like that. It's so nice, it's so spacious. And also lift and a lift lobby. In every block, that's how it is. And we have lifts, there are 2 elevators in them. Yeah. In every block.
In each and every block, there are 2 elevators, serving the 3 houses.
Yeah, that's how it is. And a spacious lobby for the lifts. Yeah.
So where we're coming from, like this show house, the 3BR with 154 square feet.
Yeah, square meter.
Square meter.
Square meter. And the 2-bedroom is 106 square meter. Yeah, and the 3-bedroom, we have all-in suite plus a common wash area. We have 3 bathrooms.
In the 4 bathrooms.
Yeah, in the 3-bedroom house.
The in-suites and then the common area.
Yeah, the common area. And also we have an open kitchen with a lot of fixtures that are coming with it. And we have a cooker that's coming with it, plus a hood that's coming with it. We have a fridge space we have provided, and so many storage, as I've shown you before.
Yeah, you've shown me before, but again, I want us just to take this first part to talk about the apartments, the groundbreaking and all, and then after the break, we'll be showing them, we'll be taking them through the rooms so that they can see by themselves, right?
Okay, yeah.
So as we're progressing, when was the groundbreaking for this place? Because as I mentioned earlier, remember that these 108 Riverside Apartments, it's ongoing. It's still under construction. So when you hear kind of a little bit of noise, you just have to bear with us. So you'll just tell us about even the groundbreaking, when it started, and when the completion thereafter, when it will be concluded.
Okay, the groundbreaking was done around August 2020, and we began constructing at around November. And
last year,
that is December. And for the completion date that we are targeting, it will be next year, December 2022. Yeah.
So it's like taking like about 2 years.
Yeah, it's about 2 years. Exactly. Yeah.
And then one or someone will ask themselves, what are some of the amenities that will come with the apartment?
Yeah, okay. It's a nice place. It's a nice area that we are in, a posh area. So we expect to have very good facilities we have. We have a swimming pool in an open area. We have a fully equipped gym. We have a children's play area which is indoors. And we have a clubhouse also.
A clubhouse.
Yeah, that is coming. And we have an open garden where everybody can be there. The children can play. Also, we have ample parking for like two basements for parking. We have a backup generator. Nice. It's not only outside, it's also for inside, up to the switches for the generator. We have a borehole also.
Nice.
Yeah. everything is so fine. In the parking also, you can add for the visitors parking. So you won't have to, your visitors won't struggle for a parking space.
So the parking for visitors and the residents will be two different things.
Yeah, that's the plan.
How about the social amenities? Like what types of amenities surround this beautiful place?
The beautiful place provide international schools,
Yeah.
hospital, and there's an upcoming mall that is coming just right next to us. It's near the road, it's accessible for everybody, and the area is so easy to find. You can't get lost when somebody sends you the direction. Yeah.
And how about the security features? Because that's one of the basic things that investors look for. And for even to mention security, I saw lots of embassy when we were coming to this place. I think that's an added advantage.
Very added. And firstly, I told you it's a posh area, including we say it's what can I say? It's like.
Is it a suburb?
Yeah, of course, it is a suburb. There are not many buildings are around here. As you've mentioned, the embassies are here. We have the Japan embassy.
I've seen the German, Ugandan, Zambian. It's surrounded by embassies.
You can't complain about security. It's high maintenance security, and the place is so quiet. The environment is so quiet. Yeah, there's not so many people like other places. Yeah,
even for the public transport and the so like.
Easy to get. It's just here around the gate, 100 meters, and you find it just by walking. Yeah.
And then now that you mentioned about the different amenities within this place, someone would ask themselves, even an investor, what's the service charge?
The service charge, we're just going for 7K per month.
Per month?
Yeah.
So monthly they'll have to part with 7,000.
7,000, yeah.
And you mentioned that the 2BR and the 1BR are already sold out?
Yeah, okay, what we have, we only have a 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom. But
there's no 1 bedroom?
No 1 bedroom.
Only 2 and 3 bedrooms? No studio apartments, no 1 bedrooms?
No. And the 2-bedroom are all sold out.
2 bedrooms are all sold out?
Yeah.
With how many units are those?
We have like 24 plus 24.
That's 48.
48, all sold out.
All sold out?
Yeah.
At what price?
They were going, okay, some people, it depends on which stage that you bought. Yeah.
If it was during groundbreaking, whether you're paying with mortgage or cash?
Yeah. Okay, for now we are not doing the mortgage. So during before the groundbreaking, it was going for around 10
million.
Yeah. For now it's 13.5.
13.5.
Yeah, and for the 3-bedroom, there are some people who got it at 14M.
Really?
Now it's 16.5.
No, it's 16.5.
Yeah.
Even this show house where we're coming from, it's 16.5.
Yeah.
And why are you guys not selling them on mortgage?
Oh, for now, okay, well, according to our understanding, is like the bank can't take a project that is ongoing unless you give them the project that is all complete.
Off plan.
Yeah. Not off plan. When you see like this show house, you tell them this is the house, the project is all complete, there's no construction going on. That's when the bank will allow to take the mortgage.
Oh, they don't give mortgages for ongoing constructions?
No, they don't.
Oh, now I get it.
So that's why we are saying that until maybe we finish the construction, then we'll allow the mortgage. Yeah, for now it's a cash, and the cash we pay it in installments. And the installments, we also have a way of paying it. Yeah, we have a cash, fully cash, but if you come with that cash, fully payment, we'll talk about the price also. We'll negotiate from 16.
You can always talk, as they say, some discount.
Yeah, and then for installments, we pay 30% down payment, and then 50% upon construction. The advantage is upon the 50%, we are giving you according to your terms. You tell us you're going to pay monthly, you're going to pay quarterly, you're going to pay after which day you're going to pay. We won't tell you this is the time that we should pay, but you are the one to give us the terms how you're going to pay it. That's the good thing of this project. We have allowed you to do that.
It's flexible.
It's flexible for the person. And also the remaining 20%, we are going to do it upon completion.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you're doing it.
Since you mentioned that it's only the 3-bedroom apartments that are available, and we're coming from a show house that is a 3-bedroom apartment, so just tell us what comes with each and every unit.
Wow. Okay, let me start with the... When you enter, you'll see a fixed cupboard where you can put it a shoe rack or a storage for books. And when you go to the kitchen, as we mentioned, is an open kitchen. We have the cupboards that are fixed, and it's coming with a cooker, and it's coming with a hood also. And in the kitchen, we have the laundry area. The laundry area, we have provided a socket for the
washing machine. Yeah.
And also we're going to provide the lines for hanging the clothes. And when you come in the living room, we have the TV stand that is going to be there. And also
the TV area or the TV stand?
The TV stand.
It's you guys are buying
it's inclusive.
The TV stand for each and every unit?
Yeah.
How about if I don't have the TV stand? Would you decrease the amount?
No, okay, for our budget, we have included it.
The TV stand?
Yeah, and it's going to be posher than this one.
Oh, than this one?
Yeah.
How about the TV area?
The TV area, we're going to put it to be wooden.
It will be wooden?
Yeah.
Nice, okay.
Yeah. And also, when we come, we have the gypsum.
That comes with every unit?
Yeah, in every unit.
Okay.
And the gypsum lighting and the chandeliers that you're seeing around, they're all coming with it.
All the chandeliers I'm seeing in this show house are coming with every 3-bedroom apartment?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, when you go inside the bedrooms, you'll find everything in the closets also fixed, and the woods are coming from China, imported from China.
Okay.
And we have windows. Our windows are fully from top to bottom, of which we call them the French windows. And the bathroom is coming with all the fittings and the glass doors also. And we have the smart mirrors also coming with the bathroom, in all the bathrooms.
If you mean a smart mirror, it's those that you
touch it on,
and they light.
Yeah. And also it can take the steam.
The what?
Steam.
From
when you're washing your hands with the warm water and the steam is fully filling.
The mirrors.
Yeah, instead of wiping it.
It cleans itself.
Yeah. That's
nice.
what is called a smart mirror.
A smart mirror?
Yeah.
Okay, now I know.
Yeah. Those are all, I think those are all
those are everything that comes within here. Chelsea, I want us to take a short break. After the short break, I'd like you to take us through everything that you mentioned, if it's okay with you.
It's okay.
Sawa. And on that note, we're taking a short break, after which I'll be coming back with Brenda, right?
Yeah.
To show us this beautiful show house in each and everything, the nitty-gritty, so that you'd see it by yourself. Keep it Lolwe TV. And welcome to part 2 of the LTN's property show. Remember, we're coming from 108 Riverside Apartments, and I have Brenda Achieng, who is the sales representative of this place. Maybe Brenda, just to do a recap, how many units are here in total?
In total, we have 108 units. They're going up to 12 floors.
Up to the 12th floor.
Yeah, and we have a top roof there also. Yeah.
So I'd want you to take us through this beautiful show house. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. Maybe we'll start from the door that I saw a very beautiful security feature. Maybe Brenda, you can take it from there.
Okay, so as you said, our house, many things are imported from China. So this one is a security tight door, and it has so many locks. And the best thing about this door, when you lock it from inside, there's nobody who can open it from outside, even with the key.
Really?
Really, it's only you can open it when you're inside. So about the security again, so tight.
So I'm inside, I don't have to use the keys and everything?
Yeah.
This is just enough?
That's enough.
Nice.
Nobody can open it. It's only you can open it while inside.
And I love the frame. This door is
so
thick
strong.
and strong. Yeah.
Also, you can check the suns provided. And also another thing provided, we have the intercoms. also in there. Somebody from down, you can check in. Before allowing them to come up, you use the intercols also. Yeah, that's the best thing. And then when you enter, you have a cupboard here where you can use to put your shoes. I show you how you open it.
You just click and it opens.
And it's open. You
Nice.
can place your shoes and other storages like books. You have your deco there. You can place it there.
Your souvenirs, if you have any.
Instead of your visitors going with their bags inside and later on, natafuta.
Waeke hapo.
Waeke hapo.
Nice.
The best thing on the house. And then the best area is the kitchen.
That's the best favorite place for you in the kitchen?
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
The best thing it is, it provides for you the counter. Many houses don't have this counter. We call it you can take your tea here, a quick breakfast over here.
Yeah.
Instead of sitting in the dining, when you're in a hurry, you just you put here your seats. Or if somebody is cooking, you can keep them company over here.
Yeah.
While enjoying your wine.
Yeah, very important. Very, very important. Take us through this beautiful kitchen. It's an open plan, yeah?
It's an open plan kitchen where which will provide all these fittings around here.
Everything that comes to this space, it's whatever comes to the house.
It's coming with the house.
Okay.
We have provided for the fridge area. We have provided for all the storage around here. And also the best thing, it's coming with the cooker. And the cooker is coming with the hood also.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. It's an electrical hood. It doesn't go out. It's an electrical hood. And many people are asking, what if the oil sticks around there?
Yeah.
In the hood.
Yeah.
There's a spray that it can be found around here. Yeah, that's what you've done there.
You just spray and
spray and it's clean itself.
nice.
Yeah, that's how it is. You don't have to remove anything to clean it.
I love how the world is developing.
Yeah. And this is the working tops over here. Yeah, the sink. The tap can swing from the side, you can wash there, and then rinse from here.
I love how the area is.
Yeah.
And then from there we go outside.
We have our lobby area here.
Oh, this is the place you're talking about.
Yeah, this is the lobby area, and it's coming also with the switch sockets where you can place your washing machine.
Yeah.
And over here, also tap that will be here.
There'll be a tap and whatever, plus the washing line.
Yeah, over here, we are going to provide a hanging line. This hanging line again, a China style, where you roll it down, you hang your clothes, and then after you remove your clothes,
you can roll it back up.
Yeah, so it doesn't take a lot of space there. Yeah, that's the balcony here, the laundry area over here. So I take you inside to the sitting room.
All right, from there now take us to the sitting room. I hear some people call it living room. Which is which?
A lounge.
A lounge.
So this is the living room over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the living room, what is coming with it? It's coming with a TV stand, which is over here.
This is what you are mentioning about the TV stand coming with every unit.
Yeah, it's coming with every unit. For now, this board, we have just put it for the show house, but we are going to remove it and we are going to place a wooden one.
A wooden, like just like the same replica?
Yeah, that's a wooden one, and it won't fill the place also.
Oh,
Yeah,
just for the TV.
Yeah, if you want to hang your TV, you can hang it over there. Or if you want to place your TV on the TV stand, you can place it over there. Yeah, and also what's coming in the living room is coming with all these gypsum boards. And the gypsum board has the lightings in it. And plus also the chandeliers in the house, they're coming with it.
With each and every unit.
Every unit, yeah.
I love the fact that you mentioned about the French window.
Yeah.
I used to call it floor to ceiling. Kumbe it has a name.
No, the new term is a French window. Yeah, it's coming in every room. It's like this. So over there, let me talk about the sitting room. The best part again in the house, we have our dining area.
Okay, we just had a.
dining is here. It's a 6-seater. You can fit and can fit so well. And the modern dining, it's not like the usual.
The bulky ones. Yeah. As long as it can fit plates and chairs, it's good.
This one is a 6-seater and it fits so well. And you see the lighting?
The chandeliers. These are very the same chandeliers that comes with each and every unit.
Same of it.
Nice. I think I love the fact that there's easy coordination from the living room to the dining and to the kitchen.
And you see also you have a space where you can walk.
Very big space.
It's not that tiny in the living room.
It's kind of spacious, which is good. After that, Brenda.
From there, I can take you to the bedroom. You see how
to the bedrooms. I can't wait to see the bedrooms.
They're so lovely. You see even the door finishing, how they are, the gray, and the theme of this project, it's gray, and we have the color white. Okay, it's not that white.
Off-white. And I think these are good coordination, gray and white.
It's rare to find it here in Kenya. It's so rare. Many people put it to be wooden.
Oh yeah, wooden, most of them are wooden.
White, So for us, the theme is
gray and white. Even the finishing, the outside finishing.
Actually, the white is called ivory.
Ivory.
Now
it's
not just off-white.
Ivory. Now I know.
So
thank you for that. So this is the first bedroom.
This is the first bedroom over here.
And it's kind of spacious.
It's so spacious.
Very functional.
It's the bed that is here right now is 5x6.
And it can even fit a 6x6 so well.
So well. It has space, and we have the closet.
Enough storage.
Enough storage of it. And you see what we are talking to you about the French window.
The French window. Oh my goodness, I love this.
It allows even the air to come in and come out to circulate so very well. And
then plus the ensuite you're talking about.
It's the ensuite is here. Maybe if you can come and see how it is.
So spacious. I think I love it.
The bathroom you can turn. It's not just a small one.
In fact, we can even fit the two of us.
Even the camera can fit here. The cameraman.
The cameraman can also fit. We'll be crowded. I think 2 is a good number.
And also these doors, they are both swinging.
Oh, they slide.
They're sliding on both sides.
Okay.
And also another addition here, we have an Arabic shower.
What's that? This one?
The Arabic shower.
For people who don't use.
If you're a Muslim, you will know.
It's
Among
good.
Swahili or an Indian, you will know the use of this.
You will know the use of this. But I think I know if you don't want to use a tissue, you can use it. I think that was considerate. So from there, we're moving to the second bedroom.
The second bedroom. And don't forget the lightings also are coming with it and the gypsum.
Okay. Nice. So we go to the second bedroom. And I can't wait to see the master. I mean, this place is impeccable. Really? So is this the common room you're telling us about?
This is the common
area.
The bedroom. It's over there. It's coming out the way it's fitted, all of it.
Okay. Nice. So I bet they've seen it. So next is the
second bedroom.
The second bedroom. I tell you, this space is beautiful. I think this is so unique because unlike the other one, this is when you enter, you first meet the washroom, and then it's when you proceed to the bedroom. Nice. So
this is how it is. The cupboard is much like the other one.
Maybe you can just show us, maybe.
There. And these ones are so easy to clean, and they're not the fingerprints. You can't see them.
You can't.
They're so nice.
Even if you have babies who love drawing, you know how our kids can be creative.
It can't. So you see, this is how it is.
It has a lot of storage.
The storage up there. There's this iron going around. You can hang, and also you can hang.
Oh, you can also hang up and down. Nice.
That's how it is.
Hey, you guys outdid yourselves.
And also
this is the same. Oh,
not the same.
It's not the same.
You can have the full clothes.
How do you open here? You just pull.
You pull it like that.
I love this finish.
It's not the normal handle like the ones you grab it like this, easy to fall down. So this one is another one.
So you say you guys are unique.
Unique.
There's one thing, Brenda, you're forgetting to mention that you'd already mentioned to be about the floor.
The floor. Actually, I wanted them to see it in the master bedroom.
Okay.
It's here you can see, but because she has mentioned it, the floors in all the bedrooms are wooden floors, and you can see the comfort of it. you can when you wake up, you don't step on unlike when you step on the tiles.
Yeah, they're very
that
cold. Yeah.
But here, even the baby can play over here
Comfortably.
Yeah, comfortably. So that's the good of it, and it looks like tiles.
It looks like the tiles, and then it matches with everything in the house.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that you also mentioned about
the smart mirror.
The smart mirror shows your ways.
Here you click it,
and we have
voila. If you're a selfie person, you can do your TikToks.
In fact, the pictures can be very nice. I can be taking TikToks and the Instagram pictures, name them.
Consider that also. So the bathroom for this one is over there.
It's still the same, nothing much.
The first bedroom. Yeah.
So can we head to the master?
Yeah, but first, before we head to the master, we have a unique thing also. If you're using a shaver, we've provided for you.
Oh, okay. So we proceed to cut it.
No.
You know, next, pick it from where we left.
Another advantage of it added, we have a shaver here. You can do the shaver instead of shaving where the socket is in the room. You just come and shave it over here. That's the advantage of it. And also again, you see our sockets. We have a TV area. We have an internet area
in the bedroom.
In the bedroom, in all the rooms. That is also the aerial sockets. They are all here. Yeah. So
and this is not even the master.
It's not the master yet.
Then how is the master looking like? I think you should take us to the master room then.
Okay, come join me then.
Okay.
Yeah. So
now this is the master. You guys, this is a big space.
I don't know. We start with the toilet.
Let's just start from here. No. Let's just start. This space is big. I mean, what do you mean?
So special. Yeah. And
I love the fact that they put even a rocker chair to give just someone an idea.
Yeah.
Can you just take us through this beautiful place?
You can even swing on it.
Yeah.
On your bed.
Yeah. I feel like I've already made money.
Yeah.
Take us through it.
Yeah. So here it is. The chair, also the window.
The French window.
Yeah, the French window. The chair is ours. It doesn't come in the room.
Yeah, even the bed, definitely.
You've given them the feeling.
Yeah.
We're expecting it.
Yeah.
But no, it's not coming. The French window is coming. We have also the curtain where you can hang your curtains.
Yeah.
They're there.
And you said even the window overlooks the garden when it's complete.
Yeah, the good thing there is that when you are here in a room, you can feel the garden,
the ambience.
Yeah, the ambience of the garden. You can still remain in contact with the nature of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine the trees there, the birds singing in the morning. It's so good.
Okay.
Yeah. So there, the TV.
This is the TV area you're talking about.
Area, yeah.
And it's so spacious, by the way.
And another good thing about it, we have sockets everywhere. We have the switches everywhere. You can see we have a socket over here. We have the socket over on the other side of the bed. And the lighting, the switches for the lightings are here. And another thing for the lighting, you can switch off the main lights and
you'll have the gypsum.
The gypsum lighting. Yeah, so you see now you have this one.
Yeah.
And you have that one.
Ah.
Yeah. And also, I don't know if you have noticed the changes of the lighting.
Yeah, by the way, I have.
Coming too.
They have different lights.
You see, yeah? A brighter
That's a
one.
brighter and dimmer.
Yeah, and the dimmer, actually 3.
3 lights.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the best thing about us.
Yeah. And I love even...
Coming with it. Another thing, the cupboard is so special.
They are, yeah.
Than the other rooms.
Ah.
Yeah.
They come with how many? 3?
3. And that's the other ones are 2. And this one we have also one in there. Drawers.
The drawers.
Yeah, are here.
Oh,
yeah, that's
nice.
the best thing about it.
I think I love this.
The 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
The bedroom.
And you said how much is it? Maybe just to someone who is joining us right now.
Oh, so for it, the asking price is going for 17.5, but we say you can negotiate for it. Yeah, it's not the last price. Come negotiate. Yeah, if you have the power of negotiating,
they can always talk.
Yeah.
And then also to the washroom. What's so unique about the washroom? Or they'll just see it as a cover shot?
Just come and tell me if you have met such a special
washroom before.
Washroom like this.
I think this is much more spacious than the other washrooms.
Yeah. This is the mini. Also the smart mirror over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love how these smart mirrors accentuates everything in the room.
Yeah. So that's how it is.
The door is still the same. The one that swings.
Yeah. We have the curtain where you can hang your curtains.
Or even
Yeah, where you can place your soaps there. Yeah, and you see the shower. You can have the shower, the main, and the handle one, the one in the hand. Yeah.
Nice.
And the tap also is there. Arabic shower, as you said. Also the brush. You don't need to buy a brush holder there.
There's already a brush holder.
Yeah.
Maybe the cameraman can show the brush holder so that they can get an idea. And I love how the storages are also coming. Here's the brush holder, someone who might be washing, and then plus the storages.
We have the storages over here. They're so big.
Where you can keep your things.
Keep your soaps, all these things. And these ones also. I'll show you. Over here.
This is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think maybe we can go and complete the show now.
Okay.
So sijui tumalizie hiyo show wapi? Unaona tumalizie wapi? Nakaje? Sawa, iko sawa? Now, your first name ilikuwa? Brenda. Sorry, I keep on forgetting. Now, Brenda, you've taken us through this beautiful place. I'm very in love with each and everything. Maybe just a recap now that we're finishing. If somebody wants to purchase this place, what should they do? And maybe just your parting shot as we're wrapping it up.
Okay, so if you want to come here, we have visiting hours. We are always open from Monday to Sunday, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Sunday. You can come for show house
visits.
Yeah. And also we have a number that you can call, and you'll find now my boss who can tell you more about it. And she's called Chelsea. I don't know if I can give the number to you.
We'll just put them on the crawling.
You can put it on the crawling. Okay. And again, can I repeat the payment of the house?
Please do.
So if you want to purchase the house, you will have to pay 30% down payment, and then 50% upon construction, and then after 50% upon completion you pay the 20%. And after you've come and inquire and you show interest in the houses, we'll send you an offer letter. All you need to do is give us your email. You send your offer letter. The offer letter we give you like 1 or 2 weeks. You do the search of the property. After that, you do your payment. After you're finished with the lawyers, you do your payment in the house, and the house become yours. And that's it for 108 Riverside.
Thanks a lot so much. Thanks so much, Brenda, for taking us through. And I wish, maybe this is just off the camera, you'll tell me the person who did for you guys the interior.
Sure.
It's so impeccable.
Sure.
And thank you so much for taking us through this beautiful place. Sasa hiyo nilikupea ngoja kwanza tutaziendelea. Najua hii Muringa Drive. Sawa. And to our LTN viewers, that marks the end of today's property show. I bet you enjoyed the show as much as I did. See you again next week, same time on the same place. Goodbye. My name is Sharon Ongao.